What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode we are going to be talking about the 5 things that every driver should know coming up. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ryan from Corolla Customs, and don't mind my little friend in the back there, he's just sitting there chilling. But anyway, let's jump right into this episode. So like I always do, I jot things down in my notebook so I can give you all the information directly instead of going off onto my tangents. So let's get started. The first thing that every driver should know is to check your tires before going anywhere or everywhere. Check your tires before going anywhere. So usually that is like visually inspecting your tires before you start your car. Just take a walk around your car, make sure that all your tires look like they're inflated properly. Give it a little kick to make sure that there's air in it. Make sure that there is no flats. You don't want to drive out on the road, the flat tire comes off, and then you are damaging your rim, which is going to cost you more money. There are a few things on that topic as well that I'd like to go over, like one, learning how to inflate your air pressures. It is important to learn how to put air into your tires if you ever get into a jam. The second thing is to learn how to change a tire in case of an emergency. How many of you guys actually really know how to change a spare tire? I actually have a video on my channel, which I'm going to link in the description below, showing you how to change your spare tire. And the third thing is to learn how to inspect tire for wear as well as read the tire information. So you want to look at the tread of your tires. You want to make sure that you have sufficient amount of tread for the water to bypass for you to get awesome grip on the road. If you have a smooth tire, you're basically driving slicks out there. You gonna go all over the place. And I doubt half of y'all got drifting experience out there, so just be prepared to drift. Wow, camera battery's dying. Also another thing is reading the tire information. On the sidewall of the tire, there is information that tells you when the tire was made. Tires do have a lifespan, unfortunately, and they're rubber, they'll dry rot, they'll crack. You want to get familiar with that. I also have a video showing you how to read the information on the tire, and I will link that in the description below as well. Next thing on the topic is check your fluids, your oil, your coolant, your washer fluid, anything that has fluids in it, check them. Learn how to check your oil. I know so many people who do not check their oil, drive the car with very low oil, damage all the internals on the engine, and have to spend tons of money getting a new engine replacement, when that could have all been avoided checking your oil. Also, make sure to inspect underneath your car to see if there's any oil leaks. These are things that I wish the DMV would put in practice for other people and newer drivers before getting your license. When I went for my CDL license, there's something called pre-trip. Pre-trip is you have to pre-trip the entire truck. You have to check your engine bay. You have to check underneath your vehicle to make sure there's no leaks. You have to check your suspension components. You have to check all your steering components. You have to check everything and anything that's basically going to move in this engine. You have to check the underneath of your vehicle, your wheels, your tires, your air pressures, everything you have to check before going on that road. So this is something that every driver should know or learn or educate themselves on before going out on the road. Coolant is another thing that's very important. The coolant keeps your engine cool, disperses the heat, and you guys need to know if your coolant's okay. You need to know if it's really low or if it's perfect. So you need to learn how to check that, and I think I have a video on that as well, and I'll leave that in the link in the description below. Third thing is learn your maintenance schedule. Keep a log of all maintenance done in your vehicle. What I do is anytime I do anything on my vehicle, such as an oil change, tire change, brake change, whatever change I do, I jog it down in my book. I write it down. I make sure I have a log of information of what I've done, how much it cost, and when did I do it, the mileage, and the date. That way, I can always look back in my book and be like, hey, I changed this already, so I don't need to change this right now. It's good. And if I did change something, I'll look at it. If there's a warranty on that part, I write down the year of how many years that warranty is good for, and that way I keep it in my book. That way I know if I bought a part that has a 5-year warranty and it lasted only 4 years, I can go and get that warranty right back from where I bought it from, and bam, I save money. The fourth thing that there is to learn how to properly jumpstart your vehicle. I know so many people out there who do not know how to jumpstart their vehicle, cross wires, and blow some schmidt up. They will damage everything, but luckily you do have fuses that'll pop before you blow your computer. So, for the unlucky ones out there, they damage a lot of stuff, have to get a computer replacement. You just don't want to cross your battery terminals. And the fifth thing is educate yourself on warning lights and engine temperature. On the side of your dash, there is something that shows the temperature of your engine. You want to make sure that it's generally in between hot and cold. You don't want it to go way too hot because then your head gasket's going to blow. Or you don't want it to stay too cold because then your engine's cold and it's not operating at its efficient temperature. Warning lights such as engine lights, ABS lights, brake lights, whatever lights come on there, you want to understand what they mean. If you have an engine light, your engine's trying to tell you something's not operating properly, go to the nearest AutoZone, go to the nearest O'Reilly's, go to the nearest Advanced Auto. They can check your car for free for you and give you somewhat of a diagnostics that you can possibly look online and figure it out yourself if you're good with your hands. If not, go to a trusted mechanic, someone that you can trust, that you know wouldn't lie to you, and have them diagnose it properly. Other lights like ABS lights and whatnot, that's just your car telling you like, yo, bro, your brakes ain't working right. Get that checked. So, educate yourself. Your owner's manual in your car. I know a lot of y'all don't like to read. I don't like to read. You can find online owner's manual, which you can CTRL-F and then type in what you need to find, and it'll show you everything you need to know right there on the computer, because I don't like going through the book and looking. I'd rather just look on the online manual and I find everything that I need. That was a lot to say, but yes, you can do that yourself, and it'll help you find everything and anything that you need. But guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed that 5 things that every driver should know. My battery is about to die, so let's end that here. Love you all. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for helping me hit 3,000 subscribers. That is awesome. On our way to our 4,000 mark, I want to hit 4,000 subs by the end of this month. I have it on my board over there by July 24th. I definitely like to hit 4,000 subs, which it looks like it may happen. Who knows? But we're just going to keep pushing. Sorry for not releasing any videos for you guys last week. I'm currently editing the Corvette Part 2. It's so much information that I'm trying to edit out and get like really good clips for y'all. And it's going to be a longer video because I know a lot of you guys want longer videos. But with that being said, thank you all for watching. Please keep safe out there. Wear your mask, wash your hands, do what you gotta do, and let's all get through this together. If you're not a subscriber and you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. Destroy the like button, and we can all be friends. Peace out, peace out, peace out. See y'all later.